How to disable Instagram likes. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to tap on our profile icon on the lower corner and then click on these three lines on the upper corner. Now, we just have to scroll down and tap on your activity. Once we're here, we just have to click on likes and we will be able to see every post that we have liked so far. Now, we can just manually tap on a post and unlike this right here. Or we can just click on select and select everything that we want to unlike. Let's say right here. Now, if you want to disable the Instagram likes to your post, all you have to do is to click on one of your posts right here and click on these three dots on the upper corner. Now, you can do these two things. Let's say you want to archive or delete the post. This is the only way you can disable the Instagram likes. You can also hide the like count. However, it doesn't really disable the Instagram likes. Rather, it just hides the account of your post likes. So let's tap on these three dots right here. And let's say I want to archive this post. You can also delete the post so that it disables the Instagram likes completely. And the people won't be able to see that post anymore on your profile. Another way is to tap on these three lines on the upper corner. Scroll down and tap on account privacy. You can make your account private by toggling this on and making sure that only your followers or the people you follow will be able to see the contents that you have. All those people that doesn't follow you won't be able to see the contents that you have and won't be able to like your posts on Instagram. So that's how to disable Instagram likes.